Hello, this is Raphael, and welcome to your 5280 Technology Basecamp. Hi, I'm Raphael Horton, and welcome to your 5280 Technology Basecamp, where we explore technology and its applications. Today we're going to have a brief session on the IDT9 series PCI Express clock generators, buffers, and multiplexers. So let's start off by looking at some of the specifications, and then later we'll look at why this is relevant to your designs. Most designs, especially those that need to scale, are space, power, and jitter constrained. Let's see what IDT did in their 4x4mm MLF package. The 2-output low-power PCI Express Gen 1 to Gen 3 clock generator in the 9FGV boasts a power level of only about 36 milliwatts. That's on a 1.8 volt and 20 milliamp full operating supply current specification. That's an order of magnitude less than what we saw in prior Gen 1 PCI Express clock generators of a half a watt. This power consumption enables a performance level of 360 femtoseconds RMS jitter. That's about 1/3 the budget of the PCI Express spec of 1 picosecond. The device has 100 ohm characteristic impedance internal termination, always good for saving board space. It has slew rate and output amplitude line control for various line lengths. And for administrative purposes, it has 3.3 volt control of the SM bus. We also see a few options in here for SST to help mitigate EMI. However, that is not called out in the PCI Gen 3 specification, so less likely to be used. Now let's look at this technology applied to a real-world application, like our friends in Utah at Fusion.io, who make PCI Express-based storage arrays for the data center market. Here they face the classic trade-offs of the need for increasing capacity, a fixed power budget, difficult to deal with thermal profiles, and of course less and less real estate. So let's see how they solve their particular problem. Fusion.io architected their system using Altera FPGAs. They decided to instantiate the flash memory controller inside of the FPGAs. This allowed them to have a flexible system that could scale with more FPGAs and could be reprogrammed with the changing needs of the data center and their end customers. This in turn required more out of their clock vendor. They were looking for the ability to instantiate multiple clocks across several FPGAs. This is where IDT's 9 series family of clock generation, buffer, and multiplexers can come in to help in multiple clock domains. The IDT 9 series of PCI Express generators, buffers, and multiplexers is ideally suited to navigating these flexible designs. Within the family, you have a range of different channel counts to select from. They're Gen 1 to Gen 3 compatible, allowing your design to scale backwards and forwards depending on your needs. The power profiles are excellent while maintaining a very good level of jitter performance that helps the margin in your overall jitter budget. Well, thanks for joining us here at the 5280 Technology Basecamp in beautiful sunny Denver. Check out IDT on the URL below. And you can look at me, Raphael Horton, at LinkedIn. My profile URL is below. You take care now.